Bonjour, or howdy, as they say here in Texas. I'm trying to wear this, but I don't think it's gonna work, unfortunately, because the holes are here, and I need a hole over here. But I'm hoping we're gonna figure this out. Not today, but I just wanted to look at it just to see it all together. So cute. Anyway, I'll show you the full fit, but this is what I've got going on right now. Anyway, today we're going to Ladybird Wildflower Center. We're also going to walk around Austin. I'm going to give you a taste of why Austin is so weird. I don't know. I don't think it's weird. I think it's pretty tame, honestly. But we're going to get a little taste of why Austin is, what Austin is, and we're going to enjoy our time. I'm just putting it through the loop because it's just, I don't know. It's sad. Anyway. Yeah, so that's what's happening, and we're gonna be with my brother. Marissa doesn't want to join us. She's like peopled out. I get it. I totally get it. In fact, we're not leaving until later today because sometimes you just need to like find your zen and just be chill for a little bit, you know? I get it. But yeah, I also feel like absolute trash. I have only been eating cookies and fried food and cheese. Like, it hasn't been great. My stomach has been very upset with me. My whole body is like at war. And yeah, I just am not doing great. I mean, I'm still trying to eat my salads. I'm still trying to make sure that I consume things that are good, but I'm not getting enough good to counter. It's my teeth. Dang it. This, I love the lipstick from Maybelline, but when it gets on the teeth, it's just so ridiculous. Anyway, what was I saying? So it's been a challenge. So I need to be way more mindful about what kind of fuel I'm putting in my body because my body is fighting me. I feel like absolute hot garbage. In fact, I think I had my matcha already, but I think I might have some fennel tea just to like kind of bring myself to, neutral again because I just feel blah, Yeah, the fennel tea is good for like bloating, and if you need to digest a little better, that's what it's really good for. I usually have it at night before bed, but I think I might have more right now. But yeah, that's what's going on. Anyway, I'll show you the fit, and we will be on our way. So let's go. All right, as promised, here's the fit for today. I know, fabulous. Hello, as you can see, sadly. We're gonna figure it out though. We are going to figure it out because I am determined to wear this belt. I love it, but I can't today because we need to make it fit. But that's what's going on, and I'm gonna have a little tea, and we are going to have a little food, and then we're gonna head out. Okay, let's go.
Nope. That is it.
Is there nobody in the front seat?
Kid, I was trying to see.
Thanks. Hello, husband.
Hello.
Oh, you're both wearing plaid. Cute. Should I change my shoes?
Slide out my bed in the morning, think I gotta clear my head. It's getting foggy in here, 'cause I love you, but I don't know if I love you like that. Elevate my heart, you make it difficult to tell my thoughts apart. From the things that I feel, I get overwhelmed. Then you go and bring me back down, back down. Then your voice is echoing louder than it's ever been. Can't shut you out, no matter what I do. You take the crown, but don't get used to it. You might have won this round, but you don't get to, you don't run this town. So don't get too used to it. Feels like I am
sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle. I know I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah, I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, it's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. Up, up and away, yeah we go. I found my flow, right on time, and now I know what it feels like to shine like gold. Up, up and away, yeah we go. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah, I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine.
I love you. All right, let's go.
Let me have the squirrel, Sean. I need the squirrel. Don't be such a buzzkill. What is happening over there? Don't touch that. Who touches it? He said no. God damn it. Look at the spooky deer. So cute. Aw, Sean, I want these. Why is the moose there? Mom, they're literally everywhere. Alex, look, a squirrel. I've seen them. Sean, hit him. Beat him. Violence.
I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on me. Please have snow and mistletoe.
Okay. It's
And
incredibly hard to see.
presents under the
Hi.
tree.
Okay, walk.
Christmas Eve, you'll find me where the love light gleams.
That's why we love honeybees. They are the best kinds of bees. The honeybees. Oh, I want to see. He does. He have lights all over him. That's sick. That is fucking awesome.
Oh my god. Well, excuse you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Pardon me.
I had you perfectly hidden.
It's okay. You can take two.
Anyway, I'm gonna kill DJ. I'm gonna kill him. Lessons have been learned. If Marissa says she is not coming, then neither am I. I had no idea we were fucking hiking. We hiked through Austin. There's like this little, yeah. I don't have hiking shoes. Are you crazy? It's one thing to walk through the city in boots. That's one thing. I've walked 10 miles in my Rhinestone cowboy boots when we went to Vegas. Both times. No problem. But in fucking dirt and rocks and mud? No, absolutely not. No. I'm gonna kill him. Then he was like, oh, and then we'll do Illuminations after. Okay, like if that was like driving through lights, one thing. No. We had to walk. Thank God it was like really small. Like I've done that park before with my family during the day, and this is a way, like the path is a lot smaller and shorter and more like, thank God, because ridiculous, outrageous. Lessons have been learned. If Marissa says she's not doing it, then I'm not doing it. I'm not hiking. I don't bring hiking shoes. I don't hike, okay? I'm not a mud hiker. I don't go in the mud. I don't have mud shoes. Like, praise to all those who do that. It is not me. I am not the one. I will walk. I can walk for 10 miles. No problem. I'm not hiking. This is not a hiking girl. It's not. Listen, I love nature. I love being outside. I can totally be in the woods as long as there's life, civilians, and civilization nearby. But hiking? No. Camping? No. I'm a glamper, all right? Like, I will camp in a beautiful cabin with a gorgeous view and a fireplace and a huge king-size bed. That is my camping, okay? That's it. I'm not hiking. No more hiking. I'm going to kill him. I'm going to kill him after I sleep for 2 days, which, by the way, we're going to do more walking tomorrow. I'm going to kill him. Outrageous. My poor feet. I would show you, but you'd have to pay to see my feet. I'm just kidding. Maybe. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. A little bit. Don't look at my feet. Anyway, I'm going to bed. I'm washing all of this off. I'm getting in my PJs. I'm having some tea. I'm going to bed. Good night. And then I'll kill him. Anyway, I hope you had an amazing day. I am exhausted. And don't get me wrong, it was beautiful. It was fun. Torchies is delicious. If I hadn't stopped there, we wouldn't be eating until now, and it is almost 9. No. Again, no. And anyway, it was fun until it wasn't. And then it was fun again until it wasn't. But now I'm fine. Anyway. Have an amazing day. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Until next time.